Alrighty, this is week 5's 5.1 lab. It is called a music player. So you wire up your 8 ohm speaker through a 125 ohm resistor through a potentiometer. I'll give you a better angle so you can see what pins are going where. So pin 9 is what the speaker is plugged into, and it's run through that resistor. The resistors run to the third pin of the potentiometer on this side, and the middle pin runs to the speaker. So that way you can control volume as you go. Here is a peek at the source code. So essentially you set up a array of notes, an array of times, and up here you have another file which they give you, which just defines the actual sounds and what they're going to make. So it's a public constant. You want to make sure that you call that back in. So you go in here and you include the pitches header file. Other than that, that's it. And if you want to give it a listen, see if you can hear it. Oh joy.